Have you ever wondered how to make your garden space efficient? Well, there's a beautiful and practical solution called Espalier gardening. A method that combines the green thumb's delight with the artist's eye. It's all about aesthetics meeting practicality. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating an Espalier garden. The first step in Espalier gardening is selecting the right plant. Fruit trees like apples and pears are traditional favorites for Espalier. It's key to pick a plant with pliable branches for training and one that can withstand heavy pruning. Once you've chosen your plant, it's time to move on to the next step, setting up your trellis. Next, we'll set up the trellis. This framework is crucial for guiding your plant's growth in the desired pattern. Construct a sturdy structure for longevity and install it before planting. This ensures the plant finds its path right from the start. With your trellis in place, you're ready to plant your chosen specimen. Now that your plant and trellis are ready, it's time to start the training and pruning process. This begins with gently bending the branches, tying them to the trellis in your desired pattern. This artful manipulation directs growth, creating a living sculpture. But your work doesn't end there. Regular pruning is vital to maintain the shape and encourage growth in the right areas. It's all about balance. With regular care and attention, your Espalier garden will start to take shape before your eyes. Espalier gardening is an art that requires patience and a gentle hand, but the results are well worth it. We've covered choosing the right plant, setting up the trellis, and training and pruning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.